This back in. Once you've applied your sealant, it's time to push the flange back underneath the sheet metal of the roof. Again, it's very important to leave some space, as shown here, between the top of the flange and the cutout in the roof to keep water from pooling up and leaking into your building. Now that your flange is installed, replace any roofing screws that you've taken out of the roof along the top edge of the flange. Before you put roofing screws along the side of the flange, pull it up a little bit and apply a little bit more roofing sealant underneath the sides, and then put your screws in. It's always a good idea to add a little bit more sealant along the top edge of the flange, especially right at the top corners. On the bottom edge for the big gaps, we'll often use an expanding foam like Great Stuff. This will keep bugs and dirt and leaves out of your building.